In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court has quashed the Gujarat government's August 2022 decision of granting remissions to 11 convicts in the case of the gang rape of Bilkis Bano and murder of 7 of her family members in the 2002 Gujarat riots. The court observed that Gujarat government was not competent to decide on remission as the rapists were convicted and sentenced in Maharashtra. The release of the convicts had triggered a massive outrage. Their remissions and release from jail coincided with the 75th anniversary of India's independence. My colleague Ashish Sinha joins us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Ashish, if you could take our viewers through the details of the verdict that has been delivered.
Today, set aside the Gujarat government decision to premature release 11 convicts for the raping Bilkis Bano and murdering her family member during the 2002 communal riots. The convict released by the Gujarat government in 2022 has been ordered to surrender within 2 weeks. The court, while delivering wording on the clutch of petition challenging the Gujarat government 2022 move, said that Gujarat government don't have the jurisdiction to decide the remission of sentence. Supreme Court further said in its judgment, right to decide the remission plea of the convict rests with the state where the trial took place. In this case, Maharashtra. Remember that Bilkis Bano trial was conducted in the Maharashtra, so that's why Supreme Court said that Maharashtra government have a power for remission. The Supreme Court also held that the judgment in May 2022 directing the Gujarat government to consider the remission for the convict was obtained by playing fraud on the court and surprising material facts. The court also said that the convicts haven't approached the court with the clean hand. This is the observation which is made by the top court of the country. In a strongly worded rejoinder, the court said that the Gujarat government had usurped the power of Maharashtra government by not filing the review petition against the May 22 judgment. However, Supreme Court made it very clear that they have to surrender within 2 weeks. And now, if they want, they can approach before the Maharashtra government. It's a landmark decision which has been pronounced by the Supreme Court today itself.
Right, absolutely, Ashish. With that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast and sharing those details with our viewers. Meanwhile, joining us on the broadcast is Advocate Vineet Jindal. Good afternoon, sir, and thank you so much for speaking to us on NewsX. Now, what do you make of this verdict that has been pronounced by the Supreme Court?
Look, there are certain observation, the oral observation which has been given by the Honorable Supreme Court in this judgment, while the two specific aspects which I have mentioned, one is that the Supreme Court has specifically says that the accused persons when approach that petition has been filed before the Supreme Court in 2022, they have not been, they have suppressed the material fact from the court and misrepresent certain things to the Supreme Court. So this is very fatal thing for the persons who has been given remission. And the other aspect is in terms of technical issue on which that remission has been suspended, given by Gujarat government, as the sentence has been passed by the court in Maharashtra. The trial has been conducted over there. So now that the ball has been come to the Maharashtra government, Maharashtra court and Maharashtra government, this thing. So when now they have to surrender, they has to go to the jail again within 2 weeks. The specific direction has been issued by the Supreme Court. But the more important aspect is when they are again apply for the remission to the Maharashtra government, the observation put by the Supreme Court by saying this, that they have been suppressed the material fact that has been caused very fatal thing to the accused persons. So let's see how the further cause of action has been taken place on behalf of the accused persons, as they have given the very big relief by the Gujarat government that has been taken back by the Supreme Court judgment. So let's see, and I hope that the thing would be done in an appropriate manner, which has not been taken at that particular time when this remission has been granted by Gujarat government.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.